Hello traders and investors. I am R. Harish, SEBI Registered Research Analyst. Disclaimer: investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. For more details on our premium services, contact us at 76399 Opportunity radar for 6 July 2026. Overall market is very bullish today. All the three indices closed in bullish note at a 0.6% positive. VIX is falling down, stating that there is a low fear in the market and a complacent bullish environment is forming. Put call ratio is also showing a strong put rating, so that there is an institutional confidence in the buying direction. Out of major 20 sectors, 16 sectors closed in bullishness today, leading to a bullish trend in the overall market mood. Today's top gainers being reality and a mixed bag. We have been seeing for the past week, every day there is a mixed bag of top gainers. Not one or two sector is leading, all the sectors are leading as well as dragging. So as well as in top gainers and top losers, there is a mixed bag of movement. So overall, the top sector being reality from last week mid, consumer durables and auto, and bottom three sectors being media, PSU bank and IT. Overall market 80% is in green and 20% is in red. As we see, reality, consumer durables, auto, capital goods, oil and gas and metal are the winning sectors. Media, PSU bank, IT and power are the losing sectors. As per options data, there is a strong support for Nifty at 24,000 and a resistance at 24,500 levels. Price has to break this 24,500 to 24,600 level, because based on Fibonacci, this is Nifty. Based on this swing, there is a midpoint here, as well as based on this swing, there is a 100% point here. So the price has to break 24,600 level decisively in order to move towards 25,500 and 26,000 levels. Option build-up, bullish build-up happened in Wellcorp, Aegis Vopak, Shobha, Brigade and Aegis Logistics, major being realty sector. Radico, Godrej Genesis and Manappuram also having a short covering, which means there is a bullishness in the counter. Short build-up and long winding happened in the sectors which we have seen already. Tomorrow's watch list. The stocks shown here are only for watch list, not a buy sell recommendation. Aegis Vopak, Shobha and Brigade, all three are realty sector. In these three, Aegis Vopak and Shobha showed a very strong fundamental revenue and profit after tax growth. You can see here the revenue growth is 23.9% year on year, whereas profit after tax is 271% year on year. For Shobha, it is 55.6% year on year revenue growth versus 142% year on year profit growth, which shows a good margin expansion, which is very strong for these two companies. Whereas in Brigade, even though the profit after tax is very good, revenue is declining. So we have to do further analysis in Brigade. Keep Aegis Vopak and Shobha in your watch list for a intermediate to long term. Do your due diligence, do all the fundamental research and then decide based on your opinion. Stocks shown here are not for buy or sell recommendation, these are just an illustration only. Tomorrow's key levels. Nifty have major resistance at 24,500, as we have seen in Fibonacci also. The resistance is happening. This is as based on option data. In Fibonacci also there is a resistance. So this resistance will be very strong. You have to wait and watch whether it is breaking on a gap up on a bullish note or price is rejecting here due to the overhead resistance and turning back. Support is at 24,375. For Sensex, resistance is at 78,750 and support is at 77,825. Bank Nifty is hovering around 58,000 plus or minus 500 to 1000 points, because PSUs are dragging, private sector banks are holding neutral, or some banks are trending. So there is a two-side drag on this sector. That's why it is not showing a clear directional movement. So this is the post-market opportunity radar for 7th July 2026. For further videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel and click the notification button on. Share to your trading community as well as your friends and families. If you are trusting someone with your stock market journey, choose research over speculation. We are a SEBI registered research analyst. To learn how to trade and invest using our momentum framework, for free consultation and demo of our services, call us at 763 999 3695. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.